Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to LTI Campus Hiring that is official for 2022 batch. Last moment tips for 2022 batch exam, because so many candidates DM me on Instagram and social media platform that please make some update or videos that is related to LTI and how you can practice in last time. So this is last moment tips and strategy for tomorrow's exam. So in this video I will share some of the best website you can practice from that website, and there are the technical MCQ questions present plus coding question present. So let's start the video. Okay, so as in the previous video of LTI Campus Hiring 2022 notification, I already described the what are the levels that they consider in the test or the timelines detail. So the level 1 exam is on tomorrow, I think, and technical MCQ plus coding question are asked in tomorrow's exam. So there is one important point that as we know the technical MCQ pattern, that technical MCQ have 40 questions of 40 minutes. Okay, as I already described in this video. Okay, so let I just go to, okay, so as you can see that technical MCQ has 40 question and 40 minutes, and object oriented programming, basic type of loop, pseudo code, algorithm, basic of SQL, web concept, this type of MCQs are asked. For the for the object oriented programming MCQs, you can prefer the Java Point website and the Sand Foundry website. Okay, so this is the two website that you can prepare or that you can practice as so many as question for the object oriented programming. If I talk about SQL, so you can prefer the Java T Point website. There is no point that you can just learn the SQL from W3 school and after practice the MCQ from Java T Point. Okay, for basic programming concept like pseudocode and basic type of loops and other concepts, so you can just prefer the Sand Foundry website, because in this website there are so many topics. As you can see that so many topics are present in that, and you can choose the topics according to that and practice the MCQ. Okay, so this is just related to technical MCQ, because they considered that in technical MCQ object oriented programming basic of SQL, PL/SQL, operating system related questions are asked. So you can just check that website, check all this website and practice so many MCQ. Okay, so there is one important point that there is another test that is called the coding question in any preferred language. So on the Face Prep website, as you can see that this is the L&T Infotech placement paper with the solution. You can just prefer that because this is the latest question and answer and this is the previous year. Okay, placement paper. So they consider the following statement. What are LRU algorithm? Because these questions are just related to operating system. So you can just type that you can search on Google that operating system MCQs. So these are the some notes. As you can see that Sand Foundry website have so many operating system concept like processes, CPU scheduling, process synchronization, deadlock. This type of most important topics are asked in that exam. Okay, so this is the just related to previous paper. You can just prefer that also, and this is just related to coding. Okay, this type of or previous coding questions are asked, so you can practice as so many as coding question from so many platform or from some platform, like you can practice questions on algorithm, DS, or basic programming or moderate programming from HackerRank. Okay, or from the other platform that you can prefer and that you can practice coding question, because coding question is not at the website or at on the some website, that because coding question in any preferred coding language you can do, but that in the coding section the logic is very important for all of you. So this is the level 1 preparation, some tips for all of you. So after clearing level 1 you will go to level 2 and there is a one coding question for 45 minutes, and if you clear level 2, so the level 3, and the package vary from level 1, level 2, level 3, 5 LPA, 6.5 and 8 LPA. Okay, so this is the some website and these are the some tips to crack you can crack the exam. And there is an important point that you can just practice so many questions from this website, and you can practice as so many as coding question in the remaining time. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can ask your query in the comment section. Thanks for your support. Best of luck for tomorrow's exam. Thanks for watching the video.